Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Raw Life Health Show, and I am about to have my meal here, and it's one of my salads that I've been eating for the last 25 years. I love this. This is my meal. It's my superfoods here. It's my salad, which is basic salad. Celery, cucumber, lettuce, tomato. But in it I have my seaweed, my sea vegetables, and I have my sprouts, seed vegetables and sprouts. Amazing, amazing. And I'm taking my astaxanthin with this. I also got some avocado to put in here. The astaxanthin, you can take it with any food, but it works best with the fat. But it comes with capsules, but I don't put it in a capsule. I just squirt it on my tongue. A couple of people are asking me how you take it. So I pretty much squirt a couple of pumps on my tongue, and then I'm gonna eat my food. Some people could put in their food, but it comes with capsules. If you want to put in the capsules and take it then, highly recommend the Valasta astaxanthin. It's a game changer, everybody. And so this is the new product that I've been using now, and I'm gonna put some on my salad right now. This is Mila. Now, you might have heard of chia seeds before, but these are a special kind of chia seeds, so I'm putting them in my salad. I love having either flax seeds or chia seeds, and having the flax seeds grounding up, they're wonderful, but the chia seeds are excellent. I've been looking for a really good essential fatty acid, and I've had chia seeds, and chia seeds are wonderful, but this Mila chia seeds, it takes it to a whole another level, because these are micro sliced chia seeds. And to me, it's all about the bioavailability and getting the nutrients in our body as best as possible. That's why when I blend, I prefer to use a vacuum blender over a regular blender so the food doesn't oxidize. And that's why I like sprouts as superior to just greens, because it just, everything's more enhanced than that. And now with the chia seeds are wonderful, and they're a great source. And so flax seeds are great sources of essential fatty acids. But when you have them in this form, the chia seeds are sliced, and it's a special process that they do with this, and it just makes it that much better. And you pay for what you get, and I'm into paying for the best of the best. So these do cost a little bit more, but they're worth it. It's just, I noticed the difference. I made some chia seed pudding yesterday with it, and it was delicious. And even the way they look, you can see the way it looks. It looks different. So I like to add to my salad. I'm going to start adding now either the Mila chia seed here, or I always like to add, I always like to add the flax seeds, but one or the other is great, so I recommend that. So I got my sprouts, I got my sea vegetables, and I got my Valasta astaxanthin and my chia seed, my Mila chia seed. So I'm excited about that. And this is it, folks. The raw vegan diet, let me not eat on camera, right? The raw vegan diet does not need to be complicated. So normally what I do is I have my fruit and my sprouts. That's it. That's my setup. My fruit and my sprouts. Now I seek to get the best fruits possible. I try to grow as much of it as possible. It's not easy to grow citrus in Florida, believe it or not. Believe it or not, it's not easy to grow citrus in Florida. But I do buy citrus in the store right now, because citrus is in season. In about a month, this whole thing's going to be filled with mangoes. Mangoes are coming soon. But I have my sprouts that I'm growing there. I have lemons, bananas, and so I like to spend my first meal usually with fruit. My second meal, I like to have my salad, and I keep it simple. That's it. But I want to make sure I'm getting my essential nutrients that are essential, that if I can't get a superfood available to me, I'm going to do something like the Valasta. This is great for anti-inflammatory. You know, I'll make more videos about sleep. Sleep is so important, getting enough sleep. And many of us don't, and I don't always get enough sleep. So just those vitamins and nutrients to help support ourselves when we're cutting corners in certain areas of our walk, our health walk. But the first best place to get your nutrients is in the food. This is a whole food in a supplement form. This is a whole food. This is a whole food. I grow my food. I do my best to get the best of the best. But I'm certainly open to getting things that are in supplement forms. And I take probiotics. Probiotics are extremely important and helpful. So I take a probiotic, and I'll show you right here. Hold on. Here we go. I take a probiotic. I like taking a probiotic usually on an empty stomach before breakfast. So I get a probiotic, and vitamin B12 I'll take, even though there are some foods you can get them from on a vegetarian level, but it really doesn't come from the food. It comes from the bacteria on the food. But still, to play it safe, I'll take the B12, and it's not that complicated. I'm going to put a link below here. If you want, I recommend everyone growing sunflower seeds. I'll put a link to show you how easy it is to grow those in your house. But I'm going to put a link to these three below the video: the Mila chia seeds, the Pro-Biotic, and also the Valasta astaxanthin. All right? If you have comments or questions, let me know. Now I'm going to eat this salad and enjoy it. And have a great raw life, everybody.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life